Hey everybody, Greg here with Blue Collar Real Estate. Hey, I'm at 233 Boulder Court in Carmel. Carmel, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, we've just dropped the price on this to 410. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. All new Anderson replacement windows. Are you serious? Yes, I am. And stone veneer on the bottom. Now check this out. If you go around the house, all this stonework is still in incredible shape. House was built in the 80s. Let's step on into the front door. Nice entryway. We've got hand-scraped hardwood laminates throughout. Look at this front room. It's ginormous. Now, there's nothing that needs to be done here to move in. The walls have all been painted. That's Behr paint brand. That's ash and tan in a satin finish. Anyway. Here's the formal dining. You're probably 11 by 12 in here. So again, plenty of space. And then we go into the kitchen. These wood cabinets are in great shape, and wood cabinets are coming back. So aren't you in luck? Corian countertops, movable island, appliances, fairly new washer and dryer stick. And then we got this family room back here. Now this is terrific. This family room, nice and deep. Again, with the stonework, gas insert fireplace for those cozy evenings. Oh, Anderson replacement patio door. Hello. And then out back, we've got a stamped concrete patio, nice size patio, big yard, already fenced in for dogs, kids, or both. So let's go upstairs and take a look. I love this house. Here's an extra closet. Half bath powder room. Whoa, just missed it. Then we head upstairs. And I like the way the rooms are laid out up here. And I'll tell you why. When you come up to the top of the stairs, you've got this bedroom, which is isolated. For me, this would be a great office, right? Away from everybody else. Across the hall, another reasonable sized bedroom. You guys, the bedrooms in here are pretty nice. This bathroom, I especially want to show you. Not that. The shower. Brand new shower system. And door. But this goes to 11. No, it goes all the way up. And I love that because if we stop here, sometimes we get drywall standing up there. Nobody wants that. And then a third bedroom. Probably the biggest of the three, but still a nice sized bedroom. And then here's our ensuite, the master suite. Good sized closet. Lots of natural light. We have two windows. We have there. And by the way, these are replacement casement windows. No cheap junk here, ma. And then the master bath. We got a vanity, toilet, shower. Now, some people say, well, the master bath's not big enough. I'm like, big enough for what? Right? People want a 12 by 12 master bath. Why? What are you going to do in it? Again, we have this thing for $410,000. Now, we had it appraised back in December and came in at $430,000. I get market shifting. Things are weird out there right now. But I'm just saying this house is in great shape. It's a steal at $410,000. And regardless of updates, changes you may want to make, there's literally nothing you need to do to move into this house. You have questions, comments, you want to know more about it or have a private tour, DM me, send a carrier pigeon. You know the drill. Yeah, let me know. All right, till next time, Greg Mayo reminding you that real estate's a blue collar job.